While Google spent its massive I/O event shoving AI down everyone's throats, Firefox just dropped a massive bomb. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Say hello to Firefox 151, the latest update for your iPhone and Android. Its biggest selling point? A giant, beautiful kill switch that lets you turn off every single piece of generative AI with one single tap. Take that, big tech! We all know that giant tech companies are desperate to force artificial intelligence into every app, text box, and corner of your digital life. But Mozilla is doing something totally different, giving you back control. If you hate the AI hype, you can shut it all down instantly. If you only want a little bit of help, you can pick and choose exactly what stays and what goes. Now, to be fair, Firefox does have some pretty cool tools under the hood. They just launched handy features like voice search and quick translations that actually make your life easier. Plus, they're working with Anthropic on Project Glasswing to study how AI can protect your cybersecurity instead of just stealing your data. But the real story here is the ultimate power trip Mozilla's handing over to everyday users. While other browsers make you jump through endless hoops just to hide their annoying new AI bots, Firefox is keeping it simple. It brought these amazing opt-out controls to desktop computers back in February, and now your phone gets the exact same superpower. So if you're sick of the non-stop AI chatter and want your clean, normal internet back, you know what to do. Update your app, flip that toggle, and enjoy the silence. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.